Guys, kung observant kayo, mapapansin nyo na nag-iba na ngayon yung korte ng bundok dito sa Toblerone. Bawal na kasing gamitin ng Toblerone yung kanilang world famous Matterhorn Peak logo. Bakit? Because guys, Matterhorn Mountain is a protected symbol of Switzerland. At maari lamang itong gamitin ng mga Swiss products kung 100% ng kanilang materials ay galing sa Switzerland. Eh, Kuya Rex, sabi ng kaibigan ko, di ba Swiss product naman ang Toblerone? Yes, that was before. After they moved their production plant or their manufacturing plant in Slovakia, Toblerone is not a product of Switzerland anymore. According to Swiss law kasi guys, maari mo lamang gamitin yung national symbol ng bansa kung yung raw materials ng tsokolate or any kind of product mo ay 100% galing sa bansang Switzerland mismo. At pinabago rin ng gobyerno yung nakasulat sa packaging. Dati kasi ang nakasulat is Toblerone of Switzerland. Now, ang nakasulat na dito is Toblerone established in Switzerland. So guys, ilalagay ko or ipopost ko yung sa comment section ng picture ng Matterhorn Mountain na yan para makita ninyo.